Hi there, today going to learn about how to make a website dark in our Wix website, or in other words, we will make a website into dark mode. So for example, I have this website right here. It's mainly brown, white, and gray. So if you want to change this, we'll just go here to site design, click on it, click on the site theme, and then from here, you will have different themes that you can choose from to make the website dark. So for example, we want to choose this one, the eclectic. So now we have the dark theme of our website with some other colors right here, like purple, and then some other colors as seen on this theme right here. So for example, we want to change it to another dark theme. We want this savvy, and then we have this as well. But this one looks like a dark purple theme with some pink and other colors right here. So for example, we also want to choose this one, the placid. So it's like a dark green color with some other colors. And then for example, we also have this dark theme right here, which is tangy. So we have a mainly black theme with some red accents. So if you want to change this like manually, what you can do is click on the color theme, and then for example, I want to change the red color. I can change this into like a blue one, and then we can see the blue is reflected into the website. If you want to change the other colors, you can do so as well. Just do the same thing, and then we can see right here, it's already applied in some other elements in our website. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to make your website into dark mode. And thank you for watching.